apa? Alhamdulillah baik. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Halo.
Hello everyone. Today we are at Kranji, Singapore to try out go-karting. This is our first time here at this go-kart track. The place is called KF1 Karting Circuit. You can check out its website at kf1karting.com.
Apa khabar? Alhamdulillah baik. Alhamdulillah. Halo.
Upon arrival, we were required to sign the indemnity form before the race session.
Jangan tulis ni. Bismillah. Mana tetap bagus, sentiasa bagus.
Kalau pasti over aku sign up.
Pre-race briefing.
There should be two category. One is advanced, for those who have valid driving license, and one with novice without the driving license. But later for everyone, so that everyone can enjoy 2 rounds of the race. Everyone is combined together to take the faster race car up to 60 km. Maybe more questions, further questions related to the event.
Waiting anxiously for race to start.
Betul dia.
Time to get ready and gear up.
Ya, muka.
Started in bottom 12th position. Last kart to move out from the starting pit lane. Need to speed up to catch up with the rest of the karts, which had moved off one by one earlier. First overtake to climb up to 11th position. Second overtake to climb up to 10th position. Displaying sportsmanship behavior to slow down and not hit the slower front karts while trying to speed and overtake them. The karts in front were in the racing line, hence unable to swerve and overtake them at the hairpin corner at full speed, in order to avoid hitting them. Still trying to find the perfect gap to squeeze through and speed up. Third overtake to climb up to 9th position. Fourth overtake to climb up to 8th position. Fifth overtake to climb up to 7th position. Exactly 1 lap of the circuit and already climbed up to 7th from last position. Sixth overtake to climb up to 6th position. Seventh overtake to climbed up to 5th position. of the circuit completed. 8th overtake to climb up to 4th position. Ninth overtake to climb up to 3rd position. Third lap of the track circuit completed. Tenth overtake to climb up to 2nd position. 11th overtake to climb up to 1st position. 4 laps completed and finally in 1st position. Even in 1st position, still trying to overtake other karts to gain faster lap timing. Currently in number 1 position and also number 1 in lap timing for this group at 1 minute 22 seconds. Entering lap number 5. Speeding up on the 5th and final lap to obtain fastest overall lap timing. Everyone being flagged to enter the pit lane as the race has ended on the 5th lap.
Ayo, tight ah.
Panasan.
Siapa siapa kat sini?
Aku ah.
Jangan.
Kau tadi dah first kan.
Ya ke? Slow down lah.
Maju racer.
Orang suruh slow down, kita orang slow down. Mana boleh ada TP.
Kan ada ni.
Oh. Jangan melecet. Ha?
Tapi ni okey,
Dia minum.
Tapi tak ada auto marah.
Ha. Oh, number 1 lah.
Penat Ji.
Nah, tak perlu pun.
Belum.
Lah bot buat Mak Alis lah. Ya. Alright.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. And don't hesitate to like and share.